Hey, what's up? It's your boy Android JTAC here, bringing you a very quick video of the IMEI repair that I've been doing in quite a while, ever since April. Yeah, it's been a while already. And this is a brand new S5 from T-Mobile that one of my customers took it to somewhere else, and they messed around with it. Yeah, there you go. But it is the S5, as you can see. The big old battery. It has a T-Mobile active SIM card. You can say a pre-active SIM card. So yeah, let's get to it. Should be done any second already. I'll be also uploading another video of the Galaxy Note 4 from T-Mobile getting IMEI repair. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys what type of software I'm using for many reasons. Should be done any minute already. Alright, never mind, it's done. I'm recording this off of my Galaxy Note 4. It's a pretty good phone. Just wait for it. I've been trying to upload this video, but I've been super busy with my father's surgery. So yeah, I've been quite busy, but I'm back. I haven't paused this video so you guys can see there's not a bullshit video. Alright, so we're back. As you can see, I already catch the signal. I don't need this plugged in anymore. And I won't show you guys the IMEI because there's a lot of you people out there that like to clone IMEIs, which is I'm not gonna run a risk for it. But as you can see, the baseband hasn't been modified. Auto-modified the baseband so whatsoever. Like most people, as you can see, for GLT. A lot of people say that you have to modify the baseband, blah blah blah. Yeah. There you go. No more security error because this has been fixed. IMEI certificate pass. And there you go. I'll be doing another another video of the Verizon S5, the AT&T S5, the International S5, and for the Note 4 also. So peace out laters. Any questions, just message me or comment. Peace out laters.